Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your PC is ready. Check Windows 11 updates and Bluetooth drivers. Once done, power the controller. Use fresh batteries or a charged USB-C cable. You want the Xbox button lit. Press it to turn on. If pairing, press and hold the controller's pair button until it blinks. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled in Settings Bluetooth and Devices, then click Add Device. These steps get the hardware visible, so Windows can find and begin connecting. Now pair and ensure drivers are correct. Open Settings Bluetooth and Devices, choose Add Device, then Bluetooth and select the Xbox wireless controller when it appears. Windows usually installs drivers automatically. If not, open the Microsoft Store and get the Xbox Accessories app for firmware updates and settings. Make sure Device Manager shows the controller under Xbox Peripherals or Human Interface Devices. If firmware update prompts appear, allow them. Updated firmware improves stability and fixes input issues. Finish by testing and configuring your controller. You can test buttons using the game bar or open Xbox Accessories to calibrate and remap buttons. Once configured, try a quick Steam or Windows Store game to confirm responsiveness. If something fails, plug in via USB-C to isolate Bluetooth issues, repair the controller, restart Bluetooth on your PC, and reboot if necessary. If problems persist, uninstall the device in Device Manager and let Windows reinstall drivers. This often resolves stubborn connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.